Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to see elimination method. This is very important method for particularly class 10th as well as for higher educations too. And this is very important problem. We are going to solve two problems today. One is very simple and one more is little difficult. Okay, let's start the video. Please subscribe my channel to get notification of all my videos. Yes, let's start. See here, this is the first problem we are going to solve now. In this, I'm going to write the equation one by one. First one I write above and below I wrote one more. Okay. First, we have to check coefficient of any one variable is equal. I'll explain what is meant by coefficient and variable. Here see we have two variables. One is x variable, one more is y variable. In this, we have to check the coefficient. Coefficient in the sense we have three no here. This x coefficient, sorry, the coefficient of variable x is 3. That we have to check. Both the x variables, that x is variable, the coefficient of x variable should be same. If no, we have to add one more step. If equal, that means coefficient of variable is equal, we can skip one step. So this is simple problem. See here, the variable of x is not equal. Why? Because first in equation 1 we have 3, in equation 2 we have 5. So the coefficient of x variable is not equal. So we are checking y variable. See here, we don't have if we are not having any values next to the before to the variable, we have to consider the coefficient is 1. Here we have both the equations having 1 1, right? So coefficients is equal. See, so we are skipping one step here. Let's start the problem now. So same I wrote here, we are considering the above equation as 1 and second, this is second equation. Okay, see one by one I wrote here. Just we are going to subtract the equations now. Here I wanted to cancel this variable, so that we are checking the coefficient of variable. Here we have minus and minus, no, we will get minus 2y. Instead of that, I want to cancel any one of the variable, so that we are checking the coefficient of any one variable. So I'm going to change the sign of variable. So here we have plus. If we are not having any sign here, we have to consider that as positive. So if it is positive, we have to change that positive as negative. So I mentioned minus here. So instead of minus, we are considering plus. Here we have plus. There no sign means we have to consider that as positive. So I'm changing the positive sign as negative here. So we can cancel the thing, minus y plus y. It means minus y plus y will cancel, right? So 0y. So I'm cancelling this minus y and plus y. Here we have to read one step. Already I posted one video also. Now I'm writing again. This you have to remind always. Same sign, that is plus plus or minus minus. Anything. Plus sign is equal to plus. Different operators, that means plus minus or minus plus. Anything. The different operator will be minus. Again I'm telling you, same operator plus plus or minus minus. Anything will be plus. Different operator plus minus or minus plus will be minus. This we have to keep in the mind. Now I'll tell you how we are going to operate this one. See here, why I have mentioned minus, that I'll tell you. First, while mentioning the sign, we have to check the big value, that means bigger value. With 3x and 5y, which one is bigger number here? 5x, right? In this 5x we have minus sign. That minus we have to mention. So if it is this 6x, if this 3x is there, no, if that is 6x, we have to mention that is plus here. But here we have the bigger sign bigger sign symbol is minus, so I have mentioned minus. Now we have to read this. See here, here plus, here minus. Check here, plus and minus we have. So we have to subtract the equation. Because here plus, here minus, again I'm telling you, plus and minus different operator means we have to do subtraction. So I'm subtracting both the equations now. So 5 minus 3 is 2x. Again I'm telling you, first we have to mention bigger value, bigger number sign, that is minus. Again we have to do the operations now. Here plus, here minus, plus and minus is minus, so I'm subtracting the equation now. 5x minus 3x is 2x. Same procedure I'm going to do here. Which one is bigger number here? 11. 11 sign is minus, so minus, mention minus. Again see, here plus, here minus, plus and minus is minus, so we have to subtract the numbers. 6. Okay, I think you are understood. Now see here, this x will be here only, this minus 2. If it is multiplication while going this side, that will be the division. So minus 6, that minus 2, this minus 2 will come down, division here. So just do cross multiplication here. You know 3 2s are 6. I have mentioned 3. Here 1 2s are 2. Here 1 2s are 2. There 3 2s are 6. So the minus minus also will cancel. 3 by 1 is 3. You know any number by 1 is any number only will come. Okay. So x is equal to 3. So finally we found the variable of x value is 3. Now substitute this x is equal to 3 in equation 1 or 2. I am going to substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1. So I am taking 3x minus y is equal to 5, equation 1. Just instead of x, I have mentioned the value of the x is 3. Now you know 3 into 3, 9. Minus y is equal to 5 will come here. Just I'm taking this 9 from left side to right side. If it is multiplication, it will go going right side, means it will go division, right? But here it is in addition operation, right? So while going left hand side to right side, sign will change. Minus 9 will go there. Minus y is equal to 5 minus 9. If it is negative, it will go by positive. If it is a positive, it will go by negative. So minus y is equal to, you know, bigger sign, bigger number sign is minus. So minus, plus and minus is minus. So 4. So again, this minus minus will cancel, right? So y is equal to 4. Again we found the variable of y value is 4. So therefore the values of x and y are 3 and 4 respectively. If you are attending this problem in some competitive exam, no need to write this solution. Therefore the values of x and y are 3 and 4 respectively. But in 10th standard or 11th or 12th something you are writing examination, no, that time you should write therefore the values of x and y are 3 and 4 respectively. It carries at least 1 mark, so that don't miss it. Okay. Okay, we'll start second problem. This is little difficult but easy only. I'll tell you how. This is okay. Before that, here we can check whether the answer is right or wrong. So first problem only I took, the same problem I took. I'm checking whether the answer is right or wrong. We know the variable of x and y is 3 and 4, right? You just substitute this 3 and 4 in equation 1 and equation 2. The both side will be should be the same value, then the answer is correct, otherwise the answer is wrong. We will check now. Here I'm taking equation 1, here I'm taking equation 2. Instead of x I'm entering value of x. Y, instead of y I'm taking the value of y is 4, here 5. We know 3 3s are 9, minus 5 is equal to 4. 9 minus 4, here also we can check. Bigger number value is plus, so plus no need to mention, right? 9 that means plus minus, here minus, plus minus is minus. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Pi is equal to 5. Hence proved. We'll check in second equation also. Same. Instead of x, enter value 3, and instead of y, the value of y is 4 is equal to 11. 5 3s are 15, minus 4 is equal to 11. So 15 minus 4 is 11 is equal to 11. As I told you, we checked the answer, ends proved. Therefore ends proved. If you want to cross check your answer, you can check this. This is not necessary. If you want, you can check your answer in rough page, not in the main page. Okay, let's start second problem. We are going to solve this problem. See here, one by one. Here now you check the coefficient of any one variable is equal or not. You check and let me know. Here the variable of x not equal, we know that not equal. Variable of y also not equal. Correct. So here we are going to do one more step. This I'm considering equation 1, this I'm considering equation 2. Here listen carefully, don't skip this. This is the very important step. Equation 1 into, why I am taking into 3, no? Here I am taking the variable y. If you are taking variable x, you can take this. I'll do with the help of y. After that, you can able to take x also. I'll tell you why I am taking 3. While solving equation 1, the coefficient of y in equation 2 you have to take. You can take minus 3 also, but I don't want to consider symbol here, sign here. It will get little confusion, so that I'm not taking sign here. Okay, so this entire, the first equation, the entire equation we are going to multiply by 3. Why? Because this 3 is, I'm considering variable y, so that the coefficient of variable y is 3 I'm taking here. Okay, now 2x into 3 is 6x plus 3 into y, 3y is equal to minus 4 into 3 minus 12. Okay, same equation 2 into first equation, variable y coefficient is 1. Am I right? If it is 4, you can multiply by 4. If it is 1, this is 1, I'm taking 1. We are going to multiply by 1 here. So in second equation, we are going to multiply the entire equation by 1. So same as it is will come, right? 5x minus 3y is equal to 1 will come. Okay. Now no need to change the sign here. Why? Because already we can able to cancel the variable y, right? So no need to change the variable. If it is not same, the operators are same, minus minus, that will come, no? That time you can change the entire sign, that any one equation sign you can change. Here minus, here plus, here minus you can change. But here we can cancel it, right? So I'm cancelling now. Now see, both the signs are plus, bigger value also plus, plus plus is equal to plus, so 11x will come, is equal to, bigger value sign is minus, but minus and plus is minus and plus is minus, so we are subtracting 11. X is equal to, this is multiplication, right? While coming right side, it will come in division. Correct, no? You know 1 11s are 11, here also 1 11s are 11. 1 by 1 is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. We found the value of variable x is minus 1. You just substitute, same procedure. Now substitute x is equal to minus 1 in equation 1 or 2. Yeah, anyhow, I'm going to take equation 1 only here. Instead of x, I have mentioned minus 1. You know 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Plus y is equal to minus 4. So y, this minus 2 will come this side, like from left hand side to right side, it is coming plus 2, correct? Y is equal to, bigger number sign is minus, minus and plus is minus, so we are subtracting 2. So y is equal to minus 2. This is the value for y. Therefore the values of x and y are minus 1 and minus 2 respectively. Can we check, whether the solution is correct or wrong? Yes, let's check. So here, in the place of x, we are mentioning minus 1, and place of y is equal to minus 2. You know, 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Again, why I have mentioned minus, I'll tell you. Plus into minus is minus, so minus. That just I removed the bracket, is equal to minus 4. Again, bigger sign is of course both the same, so minus will come. Minus and minus is plus, we are adding the number 4. Minus 4 is equal to minus 4. So proved here. Let's check second equation also. In the place of x, mention minus 1. In the place of y, mention minus 2 is equal to 1. Minus, that means plus into minus minus, 5 ones are 5. Again, minus into minus is plus. So I mentioned plus here, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 1. Here again the bigger sign, number sign is plus, but minus and plus is minus. So plus 1 will come, right? Is equal to 1. Here also hence proved. Thank you. Keep following us. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe my channel. We'll see you all in next video. Thank you.